Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, today we are learning how to use GATs. I have a very special map today, and you know what it is, right? It's a big map, and I will put GATs in this map. As you can see, I have done all the editing work, and I have here the GAT option. You can see everything is messed up, and we need to fix that, okay? Let's start by going to object mode, and here I have clicked on each of these 3D models in my map and unticked this. This is saying use for height. So here have a menu how to get properties, right? And here have a box that you can check and uncheck. So if you go 3D by 3D in the corner in the object mode option, they all have this option. Here I have set to keep the height. So when I calculate my AutoGAT, in this specific 3D will automatically bring the GAT up. I just want to use as demonstration for you guys. And everything else, and also our friend SpongeBob, he have the here checked the AutoGAT properties, just for the example. Now I can show you that if I actually select many 3D models and click here, automatically uncheck all of them. You see that? And these ones have. So I just go back here and check again, because right at this point of my map, I want the GAT to be, automatically made for me. Everything else will be just to our ground. Now we go to our GAT edit, and we have this option to AutoGAT. But before that, I want to show you that you can actually select GATs and do just like our height here. You have seen the tutorial, I believe. And you can go like this, or you can go and select with Shift, right? These arrows become huge. We can make them smaller here. You can use Shift to select like different pattern, okay? And you can also do your manually way to bring the GATs up. You can also, for example, bring the GAT here, Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V somewhere, and the GAT will take the same property as the other GAT. Okay, and that's pretty much it. Now I can calculate here our GATs, so they will not be on top of those 3D. And let's see how it looks. There's an option here which says AutoGAT. Let's click it, and now it's calculating all the GATs in the map for me. I might need to speed up this part as it is very large map size right now. So I will speed up, and I will see you very soon. that's great. Have calculated for us. And now you can see everything looks so good. If I press M to remove the models, you can see all the hard work done for us here. There are a few walkable places we will fix in a moment. Here's where SpongeBob is at. And I just want to show you guys, that's why I keep it turned on. This place is where, right, Patrick is living. And here is the GAT for this part. I actually like to set this GAT automatically as well. But I would like to show you how it looks when it's auto GAT on top of the 3D. As well, if you have water, you can just decide if you want the GAT to be right above the water. And that is here. Make tiles underwater walkable. So you can choose this. If there's water, he will just be straight on the water. And then you can auto GAT when you click it. You can set to be object walkable, or if you untick everywhere that find the object will be automatically set to no walkable. And set height. Yes, if find the object. This I'm not 100% sure of this, so you need to test it out. Set height altogether. Anyway, now, yeah, that's quite self-explanatory here. You can do everything you can do on high edit, you can do on get edit with those tools. And you have option to either go like that, or yeah, or you can use this high editing, and then there's a brush you can press plus and minus sign, and then you can do it like that, right? Have you seen the is increasing here, right? So yeah, select, but everything I will do on rectangle select. So right now we fix the SpongeBob here, you see? I copy from here and I paste there. That's perfect. And now we can, also flatten this, everything here. So let's see. I want to flatten this. Well, we can do manually as well. And this one is good. This one still want to do some fix. As you can see, GAT is not like super, how can I say, like user friendly. But I can connect, right? I can connect GATs. Okay, I was trying to remember how to connect GATs, and then of course it's using control. So for example, if you have the GAT here, you can use control to, snap on the GAT. That's how you connect to the GAT. So what I can do here is, for example, these three are pretty good, and I can just paste, where I think it's suitable. Okay, and I think here should have as well. And I can just use the copy and paste to fix here. I can make like a pretty beautiful work by connecting those GATs here. So, a little bit of manually work here. Oops. Just to make like looks really premium, very well done map. That's pretty nice. And then we can copy from here, right? Like that, and then paste here, or let's copy just like this and paste here. That quite didn't work. Maybe we can try this way, and that's much better. And here we can manually connect this as well. See that? That's looking good. Yes. And do the same for the other ones, just like this. Let me try this side instead. Yeah, I think this is good. And then we connect here. Could increase and connect to this. Yes, that's pretty cool. And that's all about get edit. Now I just want to go ahead and fix these ones as well. So I'll just copy and paste this part. Copy and paste this part. That same thing here. And now we can play with the non-walkable. So when you click on the texture, you can simply select your brush size, and you can say where are not walkable. So here will not be walkable, and here, see that? Now I go around the model and kind of, this is a very manually work. There is not much you can do to automate this. So you can see that here, now you can increase the brush size by pressing plus or minus icon. And here is good. Guys, this is also worth mentioning. Do not click on here, these four icons. You will crash Browedit because they are made for the high edit. And you can actually increase the brush size here. You can put a number like 60 or whatever number you want. I'll make like 200. And you can see it's a very big brush. And you can make everything not walkable first, right? And after that, you can just use the green brush to, now I can set back to a smaller number, 10. And now I can use the green walkable to just set where it's actually walkable. So let's say I can increase this to, now there's a bug. Click here. Yeah, now I cannot increase, but if I, for example, save it, so I go ahead here and just save. And now I will open my map again. File, open map. Now I can actually increase here 30 or 50 and just start painting everything that people can actually walk. And afterwards I can go through the 3Ds and just fix that. So that's another way that you can actually do it. And it's somehow more convenient sometimes. Cool. I'll be finishing this and I'll see you in a bit. All right, after a little bit of work, I have finished. I actually missed one part here. I'll do really quick and I'll test in game. So here, after you actually update the GATs, guys, you need to go into your data folder from the where you save the file, and you need to have all this file together from the map, right? And in this location of your emulator, depends if you are renew or pre-renew. I just know I will import to DB, import and map cache. And down here you can see that I have added, so every time you change GATs on the map, you need to drop down here. So basically, you just need to drag this RSW here and drop right there, and it's gonna update it. But I have done that already, so I can go here just to fix this GAT. I will just select here and bring this up. See? Make smaller the arrows here. Okay. So let's set this to 1.9. Oops. Yeah, I guess has to be manually. So about that. And I'll set up this and we'll test in game. That. Yeah, pretty much same height. And that's good. Here I have changed a bit this, the way I set up here to walk in this part. And pretty much all set. Now I can simply go and file save. Now I can open our, client folder here. And I am running on a pre-renewal, which I prefer. I have made tutorial on how to create your renewal and pre-renewal server. You choose what you like the best. And now I can log in to the map. I still haven't made the mini map, so there will be this error message. I'll have a tutorial on how to make the minimap later. But now we can actually walk inside the restaurant here, and we can actually sit on some of these chairs. Let me find one here. Maybe back. Don't remember which ones I set up. Let me see. I'm pretty sure I can sit on it. Let me see here. Um, I'm supposed to be able to sit on this one. Here, yes. So I can press insert, but I'm not on the right level yet. So add level. Let's add job, and here I say clown. And now I should be able to add level up, add job level up, all skills, all stats, all stats. Okay. Now I should be able to sit here, and you can see that I couldn't make like super properly this part, but it's a very cool feature, right? Let's try to sit on another one here. Here, oh yeah. So insert, yeah, this one looks better. So I'm inside the restaurant from the crab here. And that's pretty awesome. So now I can click insert, and let's walk around the map. So speed 0. Right here is the opposite side, the Chum Beckett. Here now we can walk a little higher. See that? Nice. Let's test it out. I didn't make the inside. I'll leave up to you. This map is available to download. Will be a little challenge for you, and you can do maybe using fly wings. You can actually get inside this place. This is really up to you guys. Here, that's looking good. Yeah, we can walk from this now, and nice screenshot right here. And now we can, yeah, walk properly. There are some heights here. We will fix on the light maps later when we calculate the light, and this map will look even better. So right now it's looking a bit flat. Now we have this, right? But this 3D model was funny because the anchor point, if I show you, the anchor point is, the model is there, but in game it shows here. Something that happens, this 3D model was extremely hard to convert to the game, but in game it looks pretty good. And this is the jellyfish field. I think the height's pretty nice too, looking good. And here is the jellyfish field. Next tutorial, we are going to add the walls here. That will be a very easy tutorial. And I like how overall it's looking. You can see that this yellow thing in the background as well. I can show you in Browedit that the height is almost through the ground, but in game is just showing on the proper positions. I keep testing out, saving, and keep testing until I think is just good enough. The puff, right? I watched this in Portuguese, so I'm not sure how she will call in English. The teacher puff, I think. And here is the lobster. Nice, place to stay hiding from the sun here. A lot of effects in the map. There is a music as well. When you download and test in your side, you'll see that the music is just pretty awesome. And now we can just walk in basically everywhere. You see, I made the GATs pretty tight to the walls and stuff. And here's the ship from this dude that I forgot the name, the ghost. There are some effects on the ship as well. And let's check I'm a bit lost here. Let's go back up here. Here's the Patrick place. And depends where you are, it will not move, but now he show up. Hi, Patrick. So I thought this is pretty awesome and funny. So we can wait a bit on the side here and he'll show up. Hopefully. Yes. And he's right there. Later we'll add some painting on the ground to make darker here. This is nice. Yeah. There's Gary going up the pineapple. And our friend SpongeBob. This, for example, this pink 3D here, when I turn the camera, you cannot see it this side, which I think is pretty awesome. I did in purpose. But when you turn this side, you can just see it. Same thing for all the other ones. Right now, I'm not looking at any of those, and when I turn the camera, I can see them. Here's the city, some cars, and that's the SpongeBob map. The one and only, I believe, will ever exist. Forgot the name of this squid, and it's mostly all the main characters are in this map. I have added those texture on the floor randomly. There's some stars. Let me test here. Had a problem before. I think I fixed. Yeah, now it's looking good. Yeah. Pretty good. Some jellyfish. Hi, Patrick. And yeah, that was get added. You can see that we are walking properly right now. There are some height fields, lower fields. We just really need to work on the light maps later on. We have effects, we have sound effects, and I'm just really enjoying this right now. Really, really awesome. Amazing. Yeah, that's it for today. And now we going to learn as well the wall edit on the next video. And I hope to see you there. Speedrun here. Once again, that like, that subscribe. I'm bringing the best content. The one and only. Peace.